Hey masters, here's a quick tutorial how to use the scene color palette. So basically you need your meshes, and there are two ways how to apply the scene color palette. The first one is that you will use the MPC. So you will find a support, material, MPC, and this one you will drag and drop it into your material, master material. Okay, so let's say I'm using in this scene these 5 materials, and it's really simple. It's just the MPC. Then I'm masking the float 4 to float 3, and then I just vary it to base color. So you can select 5 different colors from the MPC, and then you can use it. If you have one master material for many different materials, there is another solution, and it's in here in functions, and you will just drag and drop this function into your material. Let me show you how it looks like. So I get these 5 material instances, which are applied just here. And the difference between the MPC is that you have to manually select the color in the master material, but here you can select the index. You can see it is this one, this material. So I'm selecting the index of the color, so 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and also 5 is the same as a 0. So you switch between the colors using the color index. Okay, this is also based on the MPC, but there is the switcher for you, so you can select in any other instances different color. So once you apply this one or simply the MPC into materials, you can then just drag and drop into the scene the blueprint, this one, the BP scene color palette. Okay, and all the assets here have the MPC into your material. It's the instance material or the master's material, and then you can just apply and you can play around. So you can select if you want manual. Okay, so you go to manual and you change the colors, or you can select you want texture based, so you should find the image. You can choose from the palettes here, so let's select this one or this one. Then you can inverse the colors. You can change the index for landscape, and the last is you can generate the color palettes. So you can generate here, and let's save generated. Generate random harmony, and here you should check the apply to scene, so you see what's going on here. Or you can switch random color and style, and that's it. Then you can save the image by save generated palette, and it saves up here, and that's all.